In this tutorial, we'll create a new folder on the hard drive, but we'll use a tool called the Windows Explorer to do it. To bring up the Windows Explorer, do the following. From your desktop, click the Start button in the bottom left-hand corner of your screen. Click the green All Programs button. From the sub-menu that pops up, click on Accessories. The following sub-menu appears. Click on Windows Explorer. The Windows Explorer is a great tool for finding your way around your hard drive. You can quickly locate files and folders or browse for something in particular. Another quick way to bring up the Windows Explorer is to do the following. Press the Windows key on your keyboard. The Windows key is located in the bottom left-hand corner of your keyboard, in between the Control key and the Alt key. If there is a gap between these two keys, then you have an older keyboard and the shortcut won't work. Sorry. Once you've located the Windows key, keep it held down. With the Windows key held down, press the letter E on your keyboard. The Windows Explorer will appear and should look something like this. Click once with your left mouse button on the letter C in the left-hand pane of the Windows Explorer. On the menu bar across the top that has File, Edit, View, Go, click the File option once with your left mouse button. From the menu that drops down, move your mouse pointer to New. A sub-menu appears. Click the word Folder once with your left mouse button. A new folder will be created on your C drive. The new folder will appear right at the bottom of all of your other folders and files under the last one, so you might have to scroll across to see it. You can tell it's your new folder because it says quite helpfully, New Folder. When you clicked Folder, a new folder was created, but it appears right at the end of your list folders and files, in the right-hand pane of Windows Explorer. That's why you might need to scroll down or across in order to see it. But it will look like the one here. The words New Folder will be highlighted. It's highlighted so that you can rename it. After all, New Folder is not very descriptive. So go ahead and type in a new name for your folder. Type Projects. If nothing happens when you try to type a new name for your folder, do the following. Click on your new folder, but click on the folder with your right-hand mouse button. A menu appears. From the menu, click once with your left mouse button on the word Rename. Type a new name for your folder. You have now created a new folder in the root folder of your C drive. You can use the same technique to create a new folder inside any of the folders on your C drive. If you make a mistake and decide you don't want this new folder, you can always choose the Delete options from the menu above instead of Rename. But one more thing to notice about the Windows Explorer, in the left-hand side, you see a lot of plus signs in a square box. Clicking one of these plus signs will expand your selection. The image on the left here shows a plus sign before it is clicked, and on the right afterwards. The plus sign turns into a minus sign, but the plus sign indicates that there are more folders inside the one that has the plus sign. When you click the plus sign, it will expand to show you all the folders inside a main folder. You can click on any of these folders to see what is inside it. As for the files inside the folders, try double-clicking on one and see what happens. Don't worry, you won't do any harm.